Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Iwanuddin. I want to tell about how engine four-stroke work. First, suction stroke. I'm to introduce air mist full into the cylinder, as engine power is product depending on the amount of fuel burned during the combustion process. The process are: the piston move from the top dead to the lower dead point. The inlet valve open full enters the cylinder. The clutch rotates 180 degrees, known as rotation 90 degrees. The negative pressure of the piston sucks the air fuel mist into the cylinder. Second, the compression step. Starting when the inlet valve closes and the piston is pushed toward the combustion chamber due to the momentum from the crankshaft and flywheel. The process are follow. E. The piston moves back from TMB to TDC. B. Valve in close. X valve remain closed. Full is compression into the combustion chamber. About 15 degrees before TDC, the spark plug start ignition and starting the combustion process. Third, power step. Start when the air fuel mixture is ignited with the spark plug. Quickly the burning mixture propagates and there is an explosion which is blocked by the cylinder head wall, causing a high pressure backlash that push the piston down into the cylinder bore. The process are: E. The explosion was created perfectly in the combustion chamber. B. Piston was thrown from TDC toward TMB. C. The inlet valve closed completely. While toward the end of the business step, the exhaust valve start to open slightly. D. There is transformation of the energy of the back and forward motion of the piston into rotation energy of the crankshaft. 4. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust stroke becomes very important for smooth and efficient engine performance operation. The moving piston pushes the remaining combustion gas out of the cylinder to the exhaust pipe. The process must be carried out totally because a little residual gas from combustion is mixed with the introduction of new gas which will reduce the potential energy produced. The process are: A. Counterbalance weak on crankshaft provides normal force to move the piston from TMB to TDC. A valve is perfectly open. Inlet valve is full closed. C. The remaining gas from combustion is pushed out by the piston through the exhaust port to the exhaust. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.